Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a topic that might make some people blush, but trust me, it's important. We're making a DIY natural desensitizing lubricant. That's not just easy to whip up, but is also way safer than those store-bought alternatives. So if you're looking for a fun, informational, and cheeky recipe, keep watching. First up, here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is your base, folks. It's moisturizing, has antifungal properties, and gives you that smooth, velvety texture we all want. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, known for its cooling and soothing abilities. This one's great for keeping everything nice and comfy. 1 tablespoon of almond oil, lightweight, nourishing, and packed with vitamin E. This keeps the skin hydrated and soft, just like nature intended. 1 drop of clove oil. Now, let's be careful here. Be careful with this one. It's so potent. But when diluted, it provides that nice, gentle numbing effect we're going for here. 2 drops of peppermint oil. This adds a refreshing, cooling effect, perfect for, enhancing that experience. Plus, it smells nice too. Now, why go DIY? Well, most commercial lubricants out there are packed with chemicals, preservatives, and artificial fragrances that throw off your body's natural pH balance. Yep, all those unpronounceable ingredients aren't exactly doing you any favors, I promise. Some can even cause irritation or allergies, and that's no fun. Trust me, your body's got enough to deal with without an uninvited chemical party going on down there. By using simple natural ingredients, you not only know exactly what's going on in your skin, but you're also giving your body some love with the added benefits of coconut oil, aloe, and essential oils. Plus, you get to customize it exactly how you like it. You're totally in control here. Okay, now here's where it gets real. I understand that this topic might be a little sensitive for some, no pun intended, but it's important to talk about. We need to know what we're putting on and in our bodies, especially when it comes to products as personal as this one. So here's the thing, I'm not making this TikTok video for likes, although they're always appreciated. I do it for information, entertainment, and hey, maybe just a little bit of for my own pleasure. If you don't want to hit like so others don't know you watched, I totally get it. No judgment here. But before you go, remember always do a patch test before using any DIY product. Apply a tiny bit to a small area of your skin, like the inside of your wrist, and wait 24 hours to check for a reaction. Safety first, folks. So there you have it, an all-natural desensitizing lubricant that's great for you, easy to make, and way more body-friendly than anything you'll ever find in the store. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay informed, stay entertained, and stay silky smooth. And if you like this video, well, you know what to do. Or don't. No pressure here. I'll see you next time. Enjoy making your own DIY natural desensitizing lubricant. And remember, you're in control here. If you would like to change the feeling, the texture, the benefits, throw in a different essential oil, but be careful. Make sure that you use the proper dosage and the proper amount because each essential oil is special and should be used in the special ways that it was intended at the right amount. And also, this natural lubricant can be great for a bedside moisturizer, skins, face, and hands. Enjoy!